common question we get is, do you obtain the permits? The answer is yes. We handle all permits and inspections for your project from start to finish. It's extremely important that your contractor is the one pulling the permits because the party who obtains the permits is legally responsible for the work. When we secure the permits, it ensures the project is done to code, properly inspected, and fully documented. It also protects you as the homeowner because the county recognizes us, not you, as the contractor of record. Some contractors ask homeowners to pull their own permits, but that's a red flag. If you pull the permits yourself, the county views you as the general contractor. That means you become liable for the work, responsible for any issues that come up, and potentially on the hook if something doesn't pass inspection. We want the process to be smooth, safe, and compliant, so we handle permitting, scheduling, inspections, and meeting with the inspectors throughout the entire project. It's all part of delivering a professional, well-managed remodel that protects your home and your investment.